Just in time for Halloween, I am resurrecting a video I did a few years ago as Mrs. D's Homestead, how to make butterbeer. Hope you enjoy. Today we're making butterbeer. Butterbeer is a non-alcoholic drink favored by the students at Hogwarts in the Harry Potter stories by J.K. Rowling. As die-hard Harry Potter fans, we absolutely had to try it when we made a surprise visit to Universal Studios Florida this past summer. It tastes so good and familiar that I was pretty sure I could make it at home. When I googled it, a number of recipes came to. I picked one to try. Because of the sugar in the ice cream and cream soda, I didn't want to add the extra sugar in this recipe, so I'm going to try it without. We'll see how it turns out. Here's the recipe I'm using from wizardingworldpark.com. It's Harry Potter Butterbeer recipe number 2. Okay, calls for a pint of vanilla ice cream, which is softening. Actually, it's softened, it's perfect and ready. Half a stick of butter, 1/3 of a cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, and 1 bottle of vanilla cream soda, very cold. So what I did here is I'm going to use the full pint and a half or quart and a half of ice cream because we're having a New Year's Eve party tonight, and so for anybody that wants to try it, actually the mix is going to be frozen anyway, so we can have some later on too if we don't use it all up tonight. A couple other modifications. I cut out the sugar, so I'm tripling the recipe. So I'm using 2 sticks of butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and let's see, it was 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, so I'm using 1½ teaspoons, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. And instead of getting the bottle of cream soda, I'm using A&W cream soda, which we really like. It's really good. So, here we go. My butter isn't quite softened enough, so I will come back when that's a little softer. In the meantime, I'm going to put the ice cream in the fridge so it doesn't continue to soften too much. So now our butter is softened and combined with the cinnamon and the other spices. Our ice cream is softened. Okay, I'm going to get a spatula. So I can scrape down the sides a little bit. Okay, now we're going to combine the butter mixture and spice mixture with ice cream, and then we're going to refreeze it until we're ready to make our drinks. That in real good. You can see how that's combining. Real nice. I'm going to put it back in the carton and put it in the freezer for a bit, and then we'll test it out. So, got the ice cream mix out of the freezer. Get a nice cold cream soda here. If you want butterbeer hot, you can just warm your cream soda up on the stove for a little bit until it's warm. And keep an eye on it because it is carbonated. It could fizz up on you. We're just going to put a scoop in each glass. Pour the cream soda over. Slowly, because look at how it foams up fast. Get my test crew here.
This one that they had for winter.
I know, it looks a little different. Let's see how it tastes.
Is it recording?
What do you think?
Oh. The top, not as good as it was at Universal.
Definitely not. Definitely different. We should try it hot.
Oh man. I'm doing this, man. I'm out of here.
Get over here.
This is good.
Come here. Well, not quite the same as what we had at Universal, but it's good. And hey, you know, practice, practice. We'll keep looking for a better recipe.
Practice.
But it is good. Nowadays, I make my butterbeer with butter pecan ice cream and cream soda. Much easier, and it tastes even better. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe. Come visit us at robindolanauthor.com. And hey, see you later.